Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys. So you can see that politicians again intrudes to the normal behavior of the financial market. So once we have discussed the possible deeper retracement on the Great British Pound, possible downward continuation on the euro currency, then Donald Trump has taken the word and said that the United States currency is too strong. As a result, as you can see, we have the opposite action. So across the board, Japanese yen, as you can see, has completed the target that we have specified yesterday. So our setup on the monthly chart mostly has been completed. On the euro currency, as a result, we've got the deeper upward bounce that we haven't counted on. So that's why on the euro currency we need to take some pause and see what will happen, how durable this retracement will be, what time it will take, so how stable it will be. But on the Great British Pound, actually, the Donald Trump's words have pushed the market in a direction that stands in our favor. Since on the Great British Pound we have tactical bullish setup, and we have discussed it 2 days ago. So the first target that we think the market should hit stands right here, is taken out with this top, because actually our background is the bullish stop grabber on the weekly chart that suggests the taking out of this top. The validation point of this grabber right here. After upward action, market has formed this ABCD retracement. So over here we have some kind of Gartner's triple to buy. And also, as we have discussed, here we could recognize some shapes of the head and shoulders. So that's wide head and shoulders, so left shoulder head, right shoulder. And here inside of the right shoulder, we have also small pattern. So this could be treated as the head, this left shoulder, right shoulder. But all these patterns are not really very harmonic. So as you can see, it's a bit choppy action. So you could recognize the shape, but it doesn't look perfect. At the same time, the head and shoulders that we see here is not the major patterns that we based our scenario on. So this is just add-on on the daily chart. All that we need from these head and shoulders is just upward extensions that point the target. So take a look that initially we have started with this ABCD pattern, and first our destination point was minor 618 extension target, and it has been hit a couple of weeks ago. Then market has turned to some retracement, and now take a look. It returns back to the same target. What does it mean from the technical point of view? From the technical point of view, it means that that was extension stage of the market. This is contraction, retracement. Now market is turning again to the extension. And it means, so normally, if we suggest the normal behavior that should follow, market should continue action to the next destination point. Since first target has been hit, retracement and respect of this target has happened, now market should continue action to the next target. Also take a look, market was able to hold above the monthly pivot point. This is a good sign. And right now market is not at overbought, so it has a lot of free space to continue upward action. So on the daily chart, right now we would not see something wrong with our bullish scenario, and so everything is okay. So on the 4-hour time frame chart, we have some other bullish signs. So first of all, take a look that mostly market has held above the conference support. So when we saw that market wasn't able to continue move higher at this point and starting dropping, we thought that maybe this conference will not survive and it's more probably market could drop to 123 area. But this hasn't happened. All that market did is just complete this A, B, C top D pattern. But mostly it was able to hold above and around the conference support. So this level mostly has survived and held price retracement on the Great British Pound. This is a very good sign because this retracement relatively small. This is just a 3-8 major support. So it shows that market in general looks bullish with the minor retracement. Yesterday, and this rally has started, you can see we could get bullish hidden divergence with the MACD indicator right around confluence. This is a very good sign. The same pattern we have traded on the gold market, but on the daily chart. So result was the taking out of this previous stop. This gold market right now is skyrocketed. So the same we could expect here, at least if market will follow the normal behavior of the bullish market. Another important point here, guys, is taking out of the stop, because any downward action extension has been based on this point, because this is actually the C point. So we have A, B, C top, and right now this C top has been taken out. It means that any ABCDs here has been cancelled. This is also a good sign. So what here we could get? Actually, we could get here, guys, the butterfly pattern. For example, this could become the left wing of the butterfly, depending on what market will show in the nearest time. That will become the right. This here could become right wing. Market will show some minor bounce. So that's one of the patterns that we could get, but really it's too small time, because tomorrow will be a Good Friday, and that will be the holiday. So that's why activity hardly will be significant on the markets across the board. That's why maybe the major action will be postponed on the next week. But overall action here, how market responds to the confluence, forming this bullish divergence, taking out with the stop, it mostly looks as a bullish signs. Also, market significantly has moved above weekly period resistance 1, and it tells that this is not just a retracement within the bear trend, this is continuation of the long-term bull trend. So that's also a good sign. Finally, on the hourly chart, if market will show some retracement downs, probably could happen, we should watch for two levels. First one, 25.17. Next is confluence around 125. This is two levels that should hold the market, because there's no reasons for a deep retracement. Deep retracement already has happened here. That was the deep retracement. As market stands right now on extension mode, any retracement should be small. There's no reasons right now for a deep retracement here, guys. That's why I think that we could keep an eye on just two major levels on the hourly chart if retracement will happen. So that being said, Great British Pound holds bullish scenario very well. Also, it shows right now the bullish action. So everything is okay. And if any retracement will follow, there's two possible levels where market should stop downward retracement.